Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best airbrush compressors that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Master Airbrush Multi-Purpose Airbrushing Kit. Buying this multi-purpose airbrushing kit is one of the best moves one can ever make. It includes 3 types of master airbrushes, and these are Model G22, Model G25, and Model E91. The G22 is a dual-action unit with 0.2 mm tip and 1/3 ounce gravity feed fluid cup. And Model G25 is a dual-action unit as well, and it has a 0.3 mm tip and 1/16 ounce gravity feed fluid cup. Model E91, on the other hand, is a single action feed with 2 3/4 ounce siphon bottles and a 0.8 mm tip. As if that's not enough, this airbrushing kit comes with a bonus Master Airbrush Quick Start Guide as well as Airbrush Resource Center access card. Both models G22 and G25 are great for nail art, fine art, cake decorating, hobbies, crafts, temporary tattoos, and autographics, among others. Moving on at number 4, we have California Air Tools Light and Quiet Air Compressor. Some of the features that make an air compressor the best in its class are lightweight construction and low noise. The CAT1P1060S model has both features, and that explains why it is here. It produces just 56 decibels, which is quieter than a normal conversation. Plus it weighs 20 pounds only, and this means carrying it from place to place is a breeze. Another reason why the CAT1P1060S is loved by many is that it is extremely easy to maintain. It needs no oil for maintenance, and this makes it very convenient to use. Nonetheless, do not let these soft features fool you. This is a powerful unit that gets the job done in no time. It is equipped with a high-performance 0.6 HP motor that makes it reliable and super versatile. At number 3, we have Master Airbrush Gravity Feed Dual Action Airbrush Kit. This kit includes a lot of items to make sure you have a great time using it. It includes the company's Gravity Feed airbrush, which is user-friendly and commonly used for nail art, hobbies, fine art, crafts, cake decoration, and autographics, among others. The kit also includes Master Airbrush Model TC20 Air Compressor, which, in turn, has an air filter water trap featuring a pressure regulator as well as an airbrush holder for a couple of airbrushes. The kit is not just perfect for students and beginners but also great for advanced artists. It works nicely with most types of spray paint media and can be used for most airbrushing applications. The bonus How to Airbrush manual and a guide booklet by Master Airbrush are included to give you the smoothest experience with this kit. At number 2, we have .015 HP Airbrush Compressor. Everyone who wants to buy an airbrush compressor wishes to end up with something powerful yet very quiet. Equipped with an advanced and precision-forged piston that produces just 55 decibels, this airbrush compressor is one of the quietest units you have ever come across. It is thoughtfully designed in such a way that it is not noisy yet powerful enough to work as expected. It has a 3-liter tank, which delivers 1/5 of a horsepower and approximately 1.0 CFM. Because of what it brings in terms of performance, this airbrush compressor is ideal for lots of applications. That being said, serious professionals and avid hobbyists can use it. Its dimensions are 12 inches long by 6 inches wide by 13 inches tall, and its weight is just 13 pounds. Needless to say, this compressor is very easy to transport. And finally at number 1, Pasha Airbrush Compressor. What we like about the DC850R is the capacity of the tank it comes with. The 1.6-gallon tank makes this airbrush compressor super convenient to use. We also like the fact that this unit comes with a moisture trap and regulator. It is an ultra-quiet unit that you will not mind to use indoors. It produces just 58 decibels, which is really great and further promotes convenience. What's more, this airbrush compressor is very powerful and more than capable of providing you with professional results. It is a 3/4 of a horsepower compressor that can run up to 4 airbrushes simultaneously. Maintaining the compressor is a cakewalk, considering that it requires no oil, and its air tank is made of rust-free aluminum. The dual air hose connection has quick connect fittings to make sure you have no problems at all using this compressor for airbrush. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.